Hello, remote workers. Welcome back to the channel. So today we have this job from GoFundMe. Yes, if you are looking work from home opportunity, yes, GoFundMe is hiring. So you can go to their website gofundme.com and then you go to careers. Okay, let me go back and show you actually how you can access that. Go to your Google browse, write gofundme.com. You will see this is their logo. Okay, so and then when you go down you will see careers right here on the corner. You will click. They say helping people help each other. GoFundMe is global community of over 100 million people with common purpose of helping one another. Their mission is to help people help each other by making it safe and easy for people to ask for help and support cause for themselves, for each other and their communities. So if you go down, there is somewhere they say help people to do the best work of their life. Or if you click here work and life balance, you will click. They say hybrid workplace with fully remote flexibility for many roles, mandatory support for new hire setup, hybrid work, well-being, family plan, and community expenses. So you have to go and find this location. Current job opening, they have jobs in business operation, common in the PR, customer care classy, data classy. In design, they have jobs in engineering, they have jobs in finance, they have jobs in human resources, they have jobs in information security, they have jobs in marketing. So you can filter the job according to what you are looking for. But for me, I'm gonna write remote. Click remote here. You have to see, if you click enter, you will click, you will see there is so many jobs remote. This is communication associate. It's remote. It's located in Canada, but as long as it is remote, so you can apply. There is manager, enterprise, technical service, remote. There is jobs in data. There is jobs in design. There is jobs in engineering. There is jobs in finance, and there is jobs in human resources, marketing. So there is so many jobs here. Also, there is jobs in product management. So let's start with this one. If you can click here, communication associates. Yes, you can see they want people to help others. Okay, they are hiring. GoFundMe is a global community of over 100 million people with common purpose of helping one another. So they are hiring the jobs for this position, communication associate. What you will be doing on and driving awareness of in Canadian geography through pitching and generating stories about GoFundMe fundraisers, creative campaign and crowdfunding trends, build and maintain strong relationship with reporters in Canada and successfully generate positive news on a regular basis, support on building out Canadian native that communicate their mission of helping others. So through impactful storytelling and with the Canadian lens. So develop and creative and media tactic to generate positive news as well as innovative PR plan highlighting and spreading GoFundMe fundraiser. Pretty much is all about helping others, okay? Helping others to work or to generate stories about GoFundMe. Let's say someone is based in Canada and they want to do GoFundMe. So what you're gonna do is to understand that client. Let's take an example is a client, of course, for this platform of GoFundMe, and hear that customer and then generate the story through what that customer told you. So that is it. Work with GoFundMe fundraiser organizer to help tell their story. Respond to reporter inquiries on ongoing basis. Here is the main task is to work with fundraiser organizer from different location, of course, especially in Canada, and then if they have questions, you will respond to those reporters' inquiries ongoing basis. So it's fully remote role based in Canada. So here there is qualification. You have to be at least English, communication and equivalent experience. So 2 to 3 years of experience in new rooms and commons environment, strong writing and storytelling skills, demonstrate creative in driving communication and maximizing media opportunity. Bilingual English and French speaker is preferred but is not a must. So, why you would love to be in this company? Market competitive pay. They have competitive pay, rich healthcare benefits, including employer paid premium for medical, dental, and vision. So they have many opportunities and benefits here, and they are working remote. So as you can see, they say GoFundMe is proud to be equal opportunity employer that actively pursue candidates to of diverse background and experience. So they are committed to provide diversity, equity, and inclusion training to all employees. Also, they do not discriminate on basis on race, color, religion, ethics, and so many others. So now you can apply in case you have a question. They say that if you are requiring reasonable condition to complete a job application or job interview or otherwise participate in hiring process, please contact them. Okay, you can contact them on this email. This is their contact. Let me zoom out and see. So you can see this is their contact. You can contact them. Otherwise, you can pull out this application form. This is the application form. Of course, there is names, email, phone number. You have to fill your resume, your cover letter. Cover letter is very important. Remember, you have to show your interest that you want to help people. You have to help community. Okay, so because storytelling of GoFundMe is all about people. Okay, so your LinkedIn profile, your website, if you have one, is not a must. Also, if you reside in Canada, if you speak English or French, you have to show them, and please answer all these questions carefully in a way that, remember, this is about storytelling, writing, uh, writing jobs. You have to be fluent in writing. Okay, so now there is other jobs. Not only that, there is other jobs. There is jobs in data, senior business intelligence analyst. If you go to data classy, that staff data scientist, staff data scientist as well. There's jobs in design, senior product design. I want to find one of the jobs which with no experience, at least moderate one, integrated marketing director. Hmm. So let's click this one, integrated marketing director, and see they are requesting to have 5 years of experience reading, managing, and growing across discipline. This is very, very high. But guys, if you are looking for a job with no experience, there is these other jobs that you can start with actually to get that little bit of experience they are looking for. Let's take an example. If you go to remote task is hiring globally. Actually, join a global community. So they are hiring globally, and they have different tasks that you can perform and get paid. So in case you don't have experience, as you can see, GoFundMe, some of their position, they request so many years of experience. If you're still in college, stay home mom, stay home dad, guys, this is the best company to start with. Remote task is the best company to start with. You can read through about everything here about remote task. You can join their community. It's all about computing. Start earning today. You can click here and fill the information. So it's all about completing tasks and get paid. That's it. You will see, learn easily, complete task. They work on task from project. You are unlocked, get paid weekly. They pay weekly via PayPal, via ATM, based on your quality and number of tasks completed. Yeah, as you can see, they have big community. Over 240,000 people are with this community. Okay, so it's big one. And also there is another one, user testing. There is user testing, but also there is this one, task art. Task art is another platform that you can join to work with them with no experience. Yes, with no experience, of course. If you are just starting with this type of jobs, you have to join this research community in order to get a little bit of experience to be able to move to the big companies. So guys, don't neglect with these companies. Small companies, as I can say, it's not even small, but their pay is very low compared to the big companies. But guys, let me tell you, you can work with maybe four to two to three, even four platform. Let's say user testing, remote task, task hours, and make money. So you can schedule your own. Also, have posted working solution. There is working solution. There is Arise. Yes, those are the other companies that you can work as independent contractors. So make sure you check it out, and good luck in your application if you are looking for opportunity. So what I wanted to tell you, GoFundMe is hiring and they have so many job position remote. So thank you so much for choosing this channel. Let's meet to the next video. Bye.